Hi, I'm Isaac with Resideo. Today we're going to look at Parts Finder. Resideo offers an online tool to help you find the right part for the job. This site offers quick access to a catalog of archived, active, and competitive replacement data. This site is compatible with mobile devices using iOS and Android and desktop web browsers. For example, when we enter a part like the VR8345, we see compatible matches for this product. When we select the product, we see information which includes an overview of the product, specifications, and resources such as the product literature. We can also click Share this product. This will create a new email with the product details which can be easily shared. Thank you for watching. Now that you know more about Parts Finder, you should be able to locate the correct part easier.